Whoa.
Somebody's bike shop's getting some business.
Guess where I'm at? You'll never guess. I left Boston today. Left my sister and my new family member. She just had a new niece. Congrats, Jacqueline. And I just came to Jersey and met up with this guy. It's Gene from Regular Guy Mountain Biking.
Hello, people.
I don't know if you guys know Gene, but he is actually a mountain bike YouTuber as well. He runs the channel Regular Guy Mountain Biking, and we're about to go shred Mountain Creek. Gene was just telling me that Cannondale is going to be doing a little thing here. What is it?
It's an industry event for bike shops and stuff like that to try all the 2018 line.
Oh, rad.
Yep.
I actually just saw this dude that we rode with in Pisgah. He rode up with the new Jekyll, and it looked pretty sick.
It's a nice bike. We might be able to sneak in there and just take a couple shots of it or something like that. That would probably happen.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, so Gene was just telling me this place is like pretty poppin', especially coming from Sugarbush where we were last. It was a ghost town. So already there's a whole lot more people here, and Gene's telling me that there's a water park, and that makes a whole lot of sense because there's a lot of kids around. I now see mountain bikers, but those are the first.
Yeah, no, the water park's pretty cool. It's a lot of fun. We had the Alpine slide. We had what the hell is it called? The Tarzan swing. Okay, so dude, you jump off.
That sounds cool.
It's very cool, like really cold cool. So you jump off. It's in the woods.
Okay.
You jump off. The water comes from the mountains. It's freezing. So you land and you're like, it's so cold. Welcome to Mountain Creek.
Welcome. Let us take your money. We take your money.
Yeah. Right over here by the rental booth is where you get tickets.
Oh yeah, this place is popping. I'm just gonna start filming and leave it running now.
There you go.
Too much fun happening already. Oh, come on, Gimbal. Man, so is this a store and a store up there?
No, the store up there is for the Cannondale show thing.
Yeah, there's like road bikes and stuff.
Is this gonna be on like a vlog or something? Or?
Yeah, for sure.
All right, awesome.
Wait, is that my phone?
No, that's mine.
That's really funny.
No way. It's a great phone.
You have impeccable taste in cases.
Oh yeah.
That's a good magic trick if you got it from me that fast.
Right?
Yeah, right.
Well, I mean, my pocket is open.
Check for your camera.
That's why I was saying. I was like, wait a second. It looked too unscathed.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah, you too. You guys going out riding, or you guys?
We gotta get a rental first. So.
Cool. Well, maybe we'll see you up there. This will be fun. I'm stoked.
We get close to the thing, to the Zats.
Yeah. What's up, dude?
Yeah, I do stuff like every day.
Thanks, man. How you doing?
How are you?
Good.
Want to do a lap?
What's y'all's name?
I'm Ben.
Ben?
Hank.
Hank, nice to meet you guys. Yeah, dude, I'm definitely down to do a lap. I think we're gonna get a couple warm-up laps in first, though.
Yeah, let's do it.
What's up, man? Good to meet you. What's up, dude?
My son Jason.
How you doing?
Got access for that shot play.
Yeah, dude, nice. I like the Lego, dude. That's awesome. Yeah, so we're about to roll out for our first lap.
Can we join? Right?
Yeah, no, more the merrier, man. We're probably just gonna hit like a blue flow or something. Just get a nice warm up. Get ready for brake bumps. Yeah, it's a bike park and it's like late-ish in the season, so.
Bike park sampler.
Yeah, bike park sampler. I've quadrupled the amount of bike parks I've hit in my lifetime in the past month. Hit what? The cabin drop? That sounds a little gnarly.
It's like
a
big
20 foot.
Yeah, I don't think I'm hitting that, boys.
No, you can hit it.
We're gonna have to manage your expectations of my riding today.
Hit it with a hardtail. As long as you're not marrying trees.
Dude, it's been known to happen.
His fanfare over there, but we're gonna get things moving over.
I feel like I'm gonna regret not having goggles.
Yeah, I know, right? Let's get on the gondola and let's get this party started.
Yeah?
I just bought a new pair because I didn't like my old one. You're free to use them
How close are they?
in my backpack.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Get to the list.
Cool.
You in the race tonight?
Nah. We're cruising.
Yeah, just having some fun.
Yeah, dude.
That's
best way to do it.
Never done a race in my life, actually. Never raced a bike.
Really?
That's the best
Yeah.
way to lay yourself up another 6 months.
Dude, Cannondale wouldn't.
I noticed you left the orange.
That doesn't work with Cannondale. Yeah, I've been riding the orange so much. I wanted to get on my bike again.
My level of skill is very low. But
I got no problem with taking it easy.
But anyway, so they built this section with a bunch of smallish cables.
Sounds good. These young guns are gonna try to set us up for some sandbaggery. They're gonna. I see the look on their face, like, don't worry about it. Trail's gonna be fine. Just follow me, but stay tight. So you hit the drop when I do. It's happened before. Well, I mean, technically, that's the best way to hit the drops is not have long enough to think about them. Is if you got the right speed, then.
We'll hit these drops over here. The big one is the one I got hurt on, but debatable we'll feel how big our
Yeah, I
balls
don't
are.
know. I don't know, man.
I've done it a bunch of times. One time was worse than others, but we'll start on those 3 over there.
Yeah. We'll see. We'll see. I always gotta wait and feel it out. You know, feel out how I'm riding before I make any commitments. I always get a little uneasy at bike parks just because I'm so not used to them. You know.
Well, you go to a bike park and you think you're like, oh, I'm gonna rip it. Then
Yeah.
you're like, oh shit.
Yeah. Well, I actually never come to a bike park feeling that because it's so out of my element. I've ridden. I think I've ridden 6 total.
Really?
Ever
That's more than
in
me.
like 6 days ever.
Oh. Well, here are the drops over here. So there's a little one. It's like the 3 bears. You got the mama bear, the baby bear.
Yeah, I'm
mama
cool
bear,
with those.
and
I don't know about that one. We'll have to
the
see.
big one you're fine. The other one.
It is a
the
big. It is a big landing,
the
a
other
big
one
transition.
was a
So.
little bit more. And like I said, I did good a couple times.
Whew, let me get a shot of
Other times
that.
I didn't. Yeah, it's beautiful out here.
Yeah, man. The weather just. I'm not gonna say anything. Never mind.
Yes.
I'm not gonna say that.
He's gonna jinx the weather. Damn. So there used to be a drop.
I hear a
right
water
here.
park.
Yeah. Oh, there you go. That's.
There's a water park right
Yeah,
there.
but that's where.
That's
where
crazy.
that's where the Tarzan swing is.
Wait, that looks like so much fun. Can we go do that?
Freeze your nuts off. It is so cold.
Dude, that looks awesome. I love water parks.
I'll video you freezing your nuts off. I know it's good footage.
This is an interesting gondola standing up.
Yeah.
It's kind of weird. I'm not gonna lie.
Well, it's better than walking.
Oh, I'm filming. That's good. I didn't realize I was running. All right, on our way up for first lap.
Yep.
Ew.
No, you'll have fun. We're gonna take Greenhorn, which is the easy one. There's some doubles. We'll hit some doubles.
Okay.
Play around with that.
I like flow trail. So Gene's got a good. plan for the start to our day. He knows this place really well. You said
Yeah.
you have actually worked here before, right?
Yeah.
That's rad.
Yeah. I used to work at the Alpine Slide, so it was it's long enough, so insurance should be okay now for what I can say now.
All right.
But we used to just shove people down that ride. Fast we can get them down. They were falling off the ride. It's so funny, man.
That
That's not
sounds
bad,
that
but-
sounds about right for a like a summer park,
I
you
was a
know.
teenager
and
too,
and
so-
especially a teenager, yeah.
I didn't really, we used to haul down that trail, but it was a concrete, like chute type of thing.
Uh-huh.
So it was sandpaper. So when you
geez.
fell off the thing,
Oh, that sounds
you're
horrible.
like looking at it's something
Wow.
died too.
Look at all that.
You can-
Ooh, I'm getting
And
a
this-
little nervous when I
yeah.
look at these features, and
Yeah, we'll hit a lot of.
I always, you know what I got to do when I get to a bike park is just wait until I get onto the trail and feel it out.
Yeah.
If I start thinking too much before I actually get on, I get all up in my head.
Nah, we're just gonna cruise and
Ew!
chill.
Yeah, I do need a little bit. I think I need a new tire for sure.
Yeah.
That is seriously lacking.
Yeah, that is a little bit thin.
I might be getting a little swifty.
Yeah, that's gonna be like a, hey, Alex, why's your ass end sliding out so much?
And these side knobs are
Yeah.
kind of. Oh
Because
boy.
I'm riding on a
Oh
freaking-
boy. Doked.
That's why this thing comes in handy, because I've got the other camera in here for the B-roll.
Oh, nice.
So I take this out.
That's pretty dope.
I got a little fucking tripod-y thing in there. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm. My brakes feel like shit.
Well, we're going downhill, so that's probably good.
Yeah, just don't use them, right? Up.
Gimbal dorks unite, right?
Yeah, right. The gimbal dorks.
Want this?
Sweet, dude.
Garbage? Oh, there's garbage juice.
Right there.
Here, try cleaning them with this, actually. This My new bag 21.
They look pretty alright to me.
They're old, that's why it's like, I think they're like, it's not even like.
Do I look like a dude who has a bunch of nice shit?
Will.
Nah. Already. Wait, is everyone here coming on the lap?
To get a warm-up lap.
Damn.
Yep. We're gonna go.
Oh, we got a squad.
Go to Upper Deviant? We can try that. Mike said it was pretty good. I haven't been to it yet.
Yeah, I'll show you.
We'll go that way if you want. Yeah.
You don't want to start with your, let's do the warm-up lap you're talking about.
Get you to the one area, and then we can take the other section down from there.
Okay.
It's really easy.
Yeah.
Cool. I reached for the wrong side for my shock already because I'm used to the orange.
You good, Alex?
Yeah, you guys good?
Yep.
Let's do it.
You good?
Yeah. Who wants the lead?
Your GoPro's proing and.
I think the GoPro is proing.
All right.
Yeah!
There we go.
Yeah, boys!
Right.
Ow, ow!
You got good.
All right, just feeling it out. I don't know what to expect.
Oh yeah.
That was good. Always an interesting time, first run.
Good.
Yeah, I gotta feel it out.
Feel it out.
Looked pretty good over those jumps.
That was good.
I think that right line looks fun.
Yeah, let's go down to the green hole, just sort of warm up ones. A couple little fun doubles to do and some shit like that. We'll go do those.
Yeah. This feels weird. First ride back on my actual bike.
It's so good watching you ride, man.
Thanks, man. All right, I like your lines, homie. Whew. My bike is feeling good. Dude is steezing it up. Ew.
Nice.
Yeah. Keep it rolling.
Take this.
I think I need new brake pads. That was pretty fun. I like your lines.
Thank you.
Finding some fun stuff.
Good, some good stuff through there.
So that's kind of the end of it.
Okay. So Gene is doing a whole different gimbal setup.
Look how
I've
long
never
Gene's
seen
gimbal
such
is.
extension.
Gene's compensating. No, it's just I keep hitting the damn thing with my helmet
Gene,
on.
bro, you got a long
I've got a
gimbal.
long gimbal. You heard to say about a guy with a long gimbal. Big shoes. We got Pump Man. Leave him in.
What's that dude doing over there? Oh, there's kids, man. There's a water park over here.
Keep the pump. We like the water pump. Keep the pump.
Yo, we should make a path just in case, guys.
Yeah, we should. We're kind of like,
I'm just sitting in the
Active
middle.
trail gear.
damn kids.
Isn't that a dope pump?
It's a really good pump.
It's like one of the best pumps I've ever seen.
It's the only one I've never broken a press valve with.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
big.
active trail guy, we're supporting your pump. See that guy right over there? He just humped your pump.
Yeah, it's a
Tell him I'll stop spamming my email.
Yeah, yeah.
It's just-
it works.
small business. Where's the guy out of? New Zealand?
Australia.
Australia?
yeah.
Yeah, just one
I get
guy
emails from
made
him at, like
those.
all these wacky times. I'm like, oh, I forgot. You don't live in the right time zone.
I've only seen one other pump that's almost that good. And it's the Crank Brothers. Oh yeah.
What's up, man? Huge fan. Keep it up.
Thanks, dude. Thanks, man. Cheers.
We got some young studs over here. They're gonna do the Red Bull cabin drop.
Yeah, boys.
That's a good scale.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
How many bananas is
So that was pretty freaking huge.
Yeah, folks, you don't realize how big this is?
All right, so a bunch of young guns with balls the size of watermelons are about to jump over me on this massive, fast, sketchy run-out drop. And I guess, what is this called?
The cabin drop, the Red Bull drop.
The Red Bull cabin drop here at Mountain Creek.
Okay, send it!
This is gonna sound like thunder above me.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to be like,
Whoa!
yeah, boy. Really cool to see. I will not be hitting that today or tomorrow.
Alright, I'm not leaning out of my trail bike.
I'm not gonna leave Gene. We ride bikes. Let him get some space here. Woo! That was a little close. What is this? Oh, it's just taking us. Is this really all this trail ends with? Yeah. I feel like they could have done something better. Woo! That was pretty graceful, I'm not gonna lie. So I thought I was gonna come and get into the berm. It's just a big rut.
I turned around and you were dancing.
I'm telling you what, that was pretty fucking graceful. Run 1 in the books. That was fun. A little worried about the brake, but I don't really want to stop right now. Like, it feels okay, but it's got like, it does not have much stopping power. Hey man, it was great to meet you. What was your name one more time?
Ben.
You sent it.
Ben.
Real good stuff.
Nice to meet you, dude.
You too, man.
Can you back out the screw? Holy crap, here's my rim.
Well, that's a, yeah. Don't dig with anything. I mean,
Well, I'm saying because you get a little bit more pull, sometimes you get a little bit extra clamping force.
right. It's all the way out.
Nice
as you saw. Right, so the first lap done, and that was really fun.
It was a good lap, right? It was a good lap.
I want to say this, especially because my last bike park was an absolute bust, in my opinion. I already have a much better vibe of this place. It's
got a
the
good
whole
flow. Yeah.
atmosphere. It's
Yeah.
being here with a friend, with a bunch of friends. I was at the other one with Phil, so I had that covered. But it's all the other people that are here that are, you know, we got activity in the bike park. We got bikers. We got a water park. It doesn't hurt that it's perfect filming conditions with the overcast.
Yeah.
The trail first run down was really fun. I do think that there's something to starting with like the right warm-up lap.
Yeah.
Because if you
It
start
sets
with
it.
a trail that's a little bit too high
Yeah.
and you get a little shaken, then your whole day is going to be a little bit
Mentally,
off.
you're like, well, what's next? Or I can't do anything because I'm not ready, or maybe I shouldn't be here. Or whatever.
Yeah.
But that first one was just flowy. It was
perfect.
It was a lot of fun.
It was. We did. It was like a blue and a
Yeah,
green,
yeah.
and it was super fun.
It's called Greenhorn. If
Okay.
anyone comes to Mountain Creek, we started on Greenhorn, and we just stuck to the green for a bit of it, a little bit of blue, like you said.
Yeah.
But it pretty much just the easy way down. But it made it fun. Just got it going, man.
And we got a lap. We had a few dudes join us, a few guys that are viewers or subscribers on YouTube, and we're gonna do another lap with a couple Groms that we're hanging out and
They're
wanted to
like
ride.
here level.
Oh yeah, the dudes we
Yeah.
rode with were definitely hands down better. You guys have seen them already.
Yeah.
They were the ones hitting the drop.
See, I'm having a problem because I'm like, I could do that. I'm like, no, I can't. I can't. You know, I'm like, come on, keep
I
up,
know,
keep
I
up.
know I
Like,
can't do
Gene,
that drop.
Slow down. What are you doing? You can't do that, buddy. You're an old man. I mean, I know you're only as old as you feel, but I
Sorry
still
to
wanna
interrupt
feel
you,
good.
man. That guy's he's on a dirt jumper.
Some of these guys, I don't understand how they're still alive.
Yeah, sorry, I totally interrupted you, but this dude was just going down on a dirt jumper
With like the styrofoam
like,
cup helmet thing.
and like street tires. That was scary.
Yeah, that was
Whew.
yeah. Hey.
All right, well, we're going up for lap 2, and we're gonna do a little bit of the same, a little bit of different.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
We'll do it.
What are you guys' names again?
Lorenzo?
Matt.
All right, Lorenzo, Matt, and Tyler are gonna join us this lap. It's pretty wicked steeds you guys got. Big old bikes.
So over there is BMW, and that's when the shit starts hitting the fan over there with some of the bigger stuff.
Yeah, probably
Take a look at
probably a
that
good
later
time.
on. We, technically warm.
I probably need my brakes for that. I have
I would bring some
I just realized I have no brake pads in the back, so I'm gonna try to do a brakeless lap.
There you go.
Yeah, just try to pump everything. All right, another squad.
You guys good?
I'll just go behind you, Rob.
Okay, that's cool. No worries, bro. Not a problem. Woo! A little squirrely. Okay, so I think we're on a different trail than we did last time, because I don't remember that skinny. That was fun.
So there's a cool spine you can ride over here.
Okay.
Alright?
You do the skinny spine?
Well, the spiny spine. I don't know what.
The spiny?
Talk about the wood one.
The
right?
spiny spine?
Make sure you got enough speed.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what I want, if I want the speed, or if I want the spine. Oh, this is cool. Okay, I wanted the spine. That's cool. Riding this with not really a back brake, so I'm not trying to get a crazy amount of speed this lap. Woo! Yeah, guys.
So over here, we're gonna go take deviant.
Yeah, let's stay. Yeah, for sure. I'm down.
It's just a little bit more than what we did, but nothing really.
No,
It's good? Yeah.
Let's do it.
Without
Yeah, if you guys lead the way, tow me in. That was fun. No back brake, no modulation at all. Good stuff, dude. Hello.
Watch out!
Incoming. You all right?
Yeah.
Rider's back. On your right. You're okay. God, this back brake. Are we going this way? I feel like I got us on the wrong. We weren't trying to hit the green.
All right, now you know what?
Did I go the wrong way?
No, you went the right way. All right, now we can, if you want, we go down here. We don't have to hit the drop yet. We go to the left. It's another easy way to go down, just to kind of S.
Anything more exciting than that?
Well, it's more exciting than this.
You gotta step
We
up.
opened up Dumbo.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, someone that knows it lead the way. I don't want to take us wrong.
I'm gonna gap the first one.
All right.
I'm just gonna gap the
Take us
double.
down, Dom. It's over to the left side.
We're going right to it.
Yeah.
All right, we're going down.
Where are we going?
Go over here. Come on around. Up here, you can go to the left, Alex.
Okay. Right here? Woo, that is actually really fun right there. Woo, brake bump galore. I need brakes. Go, 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 go.
Yeah, I bring some brake pads.
Oh! I nosed in really bad. Woo! Yeah, that's way more fun than the other way down.
Here come the drops, all right? Here are those drops, Alex.
Okay.
My ass hanging out. Alex, your entire video is my ass crack. I'm in shit.
I don't know if I'm hitting anything yet. What's up?
We're not going out.
Get it, boys. We'll film you. Ooh.
The right one's the bigger one.
Not bad. It's actually a really slow drop.
How's that? Big?
Yeah,
That's it?
it was easy. That was a nice drop.
Did you do the big one?
Some of these guys actually.
I did the one that you went down.
Yeah, that's the big one.
Nice and slow.
Compared to this one.
It's a nice, easy speed.
Yeah, come on down, buddy.
Yeah, dude. How far away is the breakout trail?
It's right up here. Let's try it right there.
Cool. All right, so we're gonna pop down breakout. You good?
You're good, buddy. Oh, shit, I forgot right here.
So you know this trail?
Yeah. My bad.
Ew. All right. Ew. Good fun. I have brakes, it's weird. Woo! Got some terrible sounds coming from the back. Wait for Gene here. This trail is good fun. Yo, I got some horrific sounds coming from my brakes.
Oh, yeah?
Huh? That does not sound great. All right, so now we're gonna drop in on Alpine. Who knows this well? I'll follow you in, dude. Little double there. Where's Gene? Where's Gene? Oh, I don't see Gene. Yeah, boy. You. Significant brake bumps. Woo! Whew. A little hairy. My saddle is all over the place.
Can't wait to get that stock width.
Yeah.
I'm just getting fucked.
Oh, yeah? Yeah. Yeah, I tried to shout at you guys. I had to stop and start my GoPro. We're all good though?
We good?
Yeah, let's do it.
Going off the big drop over here.
Oh, I'm not going off that thing.
Not the big one, the little big one.
Okay. What the fuck? Yeah, how did that just happen? All right, dude, that was freaking fun. Warm-up laps feeling good. I do have some arm pump, but
yeah, me too.
I get that every single ride now because I've been doing so much. But we're gonna go get me some brake pads because I got nothing right now. This is a pretty cool bike shop. A very good bike vibe here. It is not Ghost Town, like last place we went. Nice.
You might need a new tire.
I cleared the group out for y'all.
I went into that bathroom and like the entire kids camp was in there. I just turned around, I was like, okay. And then our buddy Mike walked in and said there was actually a turd on the ground. Kids after the water park, you know? Yeah.
Hard to aim when it takes you down.
Yo, you didn't have to do that. I could have done that. You didn't have to, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, they're probably. Yeah, you saw the way. I actually want to see them. What's your name?
Matt.
You mind if I come back?
26-gallon vertical.
Matt's helping me out get some new brake pads in there. I'm super curious what the old one, what they looked like.
We're going from 125 to 2.
Oh my God! I think I see.
The chief.
Yeah. So he's gonna recess the pistons before he takes the pads out. That's a smart move because when you've waited this long to put new brake pads in, your pistons are gonna be super super far out, and you need to recess them a little bit to fit the new full brake pads in there.
Bolt was like super seasonal.
Really? Guys, don't. Oh my God. Just don't listen to anything I say. Don't do what I do. Just watch the videos. I'm not a good person to listen to when it comes to bike maintenance and actually I guess I'm just too cheap. That's really what it comes down to. It's not like I didn't know I needed to change those.
The old school
You do know
when they
it.
first built
How
it
long
back
have you
here.
been riding here, Gene? He's like OG here, I think.
Well, my Sean Orecchio opened this place about 10 years ago-ish,
Uh-huh.
and that's when we all started. Some people like him, some people don't.
Where'd you throw my wallet, by the way?
I didn't touch your wallet.
Yeah, you did. You put it in
I'm
here.
sorry. You mean like? Oh, I gotcha. Yeah, I mean, I misunderstood what you meant. I put it inside
In
of
this one?
pocket right
Cool,
here.
thank you. Need to. Cool.
Gotcha. So, Sean started this around 10 plus years ago.
Okay. Sean has a strong personality. Is that what you're trying to say?
He's no longer here.
Okay.
And but when he started it, I ran the rental shop outside.
Uh-huh.
We ran a freaking pup tent outside. Like this.
I remember when it used to be like.
Yeah. This is amazing.
It was a bunch of bubbles.
Yeah, it was just tents outside.
It was all the bubbles, and I was out there with that tent. That was when it was Diablo. So like this is amazing compared to what we every morning we go out there, freaking set up the goddamn tent, roll all the bikes out. The bikes were in a shed. I had to put them in my truck and bring them over here. And then
Dude, that's awesome though.
it was a good experience. But it was a lot of work. But then I stopped for a number of years, and then we got back going again. Now I'm like this place is insane.
Yeah, it's
So like I'm saying,
totally different.
If you look in the woods, there's like the old remnants of like trails, like some guy broke his power there. That's where we gonna bring his neck over. I mean, like you like some of the like connected places where people got hurt.
There were many cool drops and everything. It's all gone.
Yes. That one's awesome. Yeah, that so
We should show that.
there's a one section called Road to Nowhere, and you come out,
And it just
you can do
ends.
the Mary line, but even that is really hard to get around. Or you just go, and you just like,
just a wood drop onto a rock face.
yeah,
Ooh.
yeah. But it's true.
Oh, like a rock tranny?
It's probably gonna get wet now. It's starting to
It's like a wooden drop, and like a little bit of gap, you land on a rock face.
Yo, any of you guys ridden further up north, like way up north in Boston? Dude, I rode this local trail in Boston yesterday in this place called Lynn. It was in the back of a Jeep car dealership, and it was like one of the gnarliest trails I've ever ridden. Just 90% of the trail was on rock, and you have insane grip, so you've got mad steep climbs, and then like rolling slow just drops to flat. They called that place like the bike breaker. It was ridiculous, and then they've got like all this exposed, like, yeah, you see that?
You saw him?
I told you. There's metal.
Yeah, there's metal there.
Yeah, I told you.
No breakage. Like he had nothing in there. Like
I wasn't kidding.
Even better if had like a deck of cards in there.
Yeah.
Nothing. Wow.
It works on the rocks.
But yeah, that place. I guess like the locals. So these dudes took me out there trying to show off their hardest shit, and they said that they would do the same thing to bike demo guys. When they came around in their vans, and that place got known as the bike breaker because so many people would just go there and then break everything. It was ridiculous.
Until the end.
Okay. Wow, and we got the best weather right now.
Yeah. Now it's good.
All right.
Sunny out now and everything.
Yeah. So I got the new brake pads. I can actually stop myself and have some control. So now we're gonna go back up and shred.